Hello guys, good afternoon friends. Welcome to my channel Nepali Cooking, and today I'm going to make chicken Taipo. And before I make this, I'm going to show you guys the basic ingredients that I'm going to use on this particular dish. This is maida or white flour. These are eggs, and these are finely chopped boneless chicken pieces, which we'll have to mince it, make a keema out of it. And I'll be using yeast with this flour and make it dough. And these are the basic ingredients, and I'll go ahead and show you the process. So stay tuned. I have put the eggs in a boiling container. So I have put the eggs in a boiling container, so I'll boil this for around 10 to 15 minutes. About this much of yeast, and I'll also add a little bit of salt. I'll add about this much of salt, about a teaspoon of salt first. So I'll add water and make this into dough. Okay, finally the kneading of dough has been finished. Now I'm going to, while we undergo further preparing process, and also I finished mincing the chicken keema here. It is boiling. I think one has broken. It should be done. And the next process is, so let's do this onion. See, the preparation of these ingredients, like I would say the keema is similar to how we make momos. Now I will just drain the water. So let it go. Finally, the onion has been chopped. Now I'll add the ingredients. So first thing, I'm going to add this much of ginger paste and a little bit of oil for extra fatty taste, not very much. And I'm going to add a little bit of monosodium glutamate, or also known as ajinomoto. In Nepali we call it Kooking. Adding salt to taste, not much. Thoroughly. I have to use my hands now. So this is the stuff. The stuffing has been prepared. Now let's go ahead and start making tea momos. So I'm going to put some oil in the steamer so that the Thaipo that we are making doesn't stick in the container, or rather in the steamer. This is the steamer, and we've put the water to boil, and I've added 2 tomatoes for the pickle chutney. Okay, firstly, the egg has been boiled, and I've peeled the skin out. See, one that has already been broken. I'm going to make these eggs into half. The reason This is my first piece of Timo. Thypo has been completed and sliced from the top. Heart melting. Lovely. Delicious. Alright guys, thank you for watching my videos. If you like, please do like, comments and subscribe to my channel for further recipe. Okay, this is a piece of egg, a half boiled egg. Okay. Yes. Alright. This is what I have in the store for today, and once again, have a beautiful day ahead. See you in the next video. Bye bye.